How do I mirror my phone screen on my Sharp TV?
Have you ever wanted to share your phone screen with your family or friends on a larger display, such as a Sharp TV? In this video, I'll show you how to mirror your phone screen on your Sharp TV.
Check TV compatibility.
Before we start, it's important to check if your Sharp TV is compatible with screen mirroring. To do so, go to your TV's settings menu and look for the Network or Connection option. From there, select Screen Mirroring or Miracast and see if it's supported.
Enable screen mirroring on your phone.
Now, let's enable screen mirroring on your phone. This process may vary depending on your phone model, but generally, you can do this by swiping down from the top of your phone screen to access the Quick Settings panel, and then look for the Screen Mirroring or Cast Screen option. Tap on it and select your Sharp TV from the list of available devices.
Troubleshooting tips.
If your Sharp TV doesn't appear on the list of available devices, make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Also, ensure that screen mirroring is enabled on your TV and that it's not in use by another device. If the screen mirroring connection is unstable, try moving your phone closer to the TV or restarting both devices. In some cases, using a third-party screen mirroring app may also help. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your phone's content on your Sharp TV. Remember to turn off screen mirroring when you're done to save battery life on your phone.